Good morning, students. Day before yesterday, I have explained you about the definition of phrases and clauses. Clear? Today, I am going to tell you about the kinds of phrases which I have explained in my previous videos also. Now this time you have to do your written work. My explanation part is over in my previous videos. This time you have to write everything in your fair copy. Clear? As you have written the definition of phrase and clause in your Saturday's work. So now on Monday I am going to tell you about the kinds of phrases. Now, types of phrases. There are mainly 5 different kinds of phrases based on different parts of speech. First is noun phrase, a group of words that does the function of a noun in a sentence is called a noun phrase. Examples: his sudden resignation upset everyone. Put full stop here. Second example, a 50-year-old man was sitting in the garden. The word written in italics are noun phrase. Group of words, a 50-year-old is noun phrase as it is used as it is function as a noun in the sentences. Clear? Now come to the adjective phrase. A group of words that does the function of an adjective in a sentence is called an adjective phrase. Examples: Hitesh is a man with strange habits. Number 2, this chain is made of gold. These group of words shows adjective phrase as it does the function of adjective. Now come to the third kind. It is adverb phrase. A group of words that does the function of an adverb in a sentence is called an adverb phrase. Clear? Come to the examples. They lived in village once upon a time. Full stop. Number 2, please keep the chemicals in the storeroom. Full stop. Please pay attention to the starting words, letters in. You should write these letters in capital letters. Number 4, verbal phrase. A verbal phrase consists of any of the 3 non-finites: infinitive, participle and gerund. Finites. Participle and gerund and its objects or modifiers. Examples: you are studying to pass your board examination with good marks. Full stop. Number 2, he enjoys playing cricket in the evening. Full stop. Number 3, taking long strides. Dr. Akhil soon reached home. Full stop. In these examples, to pass your board examination with good marks is verbal phrase. Second, cricket in the evening is a verbal phrase. Third, playing cricket in the evening. Number 3, taking long strides. All these are the examples of verbal phrase. Now come to the prepositional. Number 5, prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase consists of a prepositions, its object and any modifiers of the object. Full stop. These phrases add descriptive details to a sentence. Clear? Come to the examples. They are having meeting in the hotel. Full stop. Number 2, please place the chemicals in the storeroom. In the hotel, in the storeroom, all these are examples of prepositional phrase. Clear, students? Now come to the kinds of phrase as in short. Almost every phrase contains a keyword that tells us its type. These are the phrases, these are the keywords, and these are the types of phrases. The blue sky, sky noun, so noun phrase. Very beautiful, beautiful adjective, adjective phrase. Must go, go verb, verbal phrase. Before sunset, before adverb, so adverb phrase. Around the world, around preposition, prepositional phrase. Clear? Today I have explained you all about the kinds of phrases with examples. Now note it in your fair copy neatly and clearly. Thank you, students.